Hello, traders. Today is Friday, July 25th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So the Euro dollar, I mean, it is kind of bouncing around the 78% Fibonacci. It definitely doesn't have a break of structure to the downside yet, and it definitely hasn't really engulfed down or anything like that. So, I mean, there is a chance that it pushes up and takes out the previous highs. The trend is definitely up on the daily, and it is definitely up on the weekly. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it's very, very close to a break of structure. I mean, it has one, two, three, four, five waves down, very close to a break of structure. I think there's a chance that it is going to because that 78% is a big area of resistance normally. So I think there is a pretty good chance it's going to break down. But even if it does break down, it's probably going to end up just being a crescent to this whole move up. It'll just end up being a larger crescent, maybe someplace between 38 and 78% of this whole move up before it potentially ends up continuing the uptrend maybe next week, mid next week sometime. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.